Hey everyone, and welcome to $2 Tuesday. This is the Coffee and Plants kit. This is the deluxe version in the premium matte. I'll show you guys. But yeah, this one is definitely much darker than my usual kits, especially the last release, which was super pastel. And then last $2 Tuesday was just like a scarlet kit, which was completely red. So we're going over different tones here. So if you have a color scheme in mind for the next $2 Tuesday, let me know in comments down in the description if you guys want some requests or anything. But anyway, this one is today's $2 Tuesday, and we're starting off with the full boxes here. I did put in the quote, coffee then the world. I wrote something similar in my bullet journal. So yeah, this one is a bit of everything. So like as if you're planning in a coffee shop, which I haven't done in a while, but I just really wanted something different for today. So yeah, here we are with the full boxes, and then your icons here with a whole bunch of icon scripts, mini checklists, and extra like stickers here. Your checklist boxes with all the hearts and everything. And then we have your functional boxes with some like washi strips, like decorative like washi strips, appointments, bill dues, habit trackers, half boxes, and all of these like quarter boxes, and then these like mini, I don't know what to call these. I call these like mini boxes, but I'm not really sure what other people call them. That's what I just call them. And then here is the functional deco sheet here with some more sidebar stickers and extra like stickers for layering. And lastly, we have the washi and date stickers. So yeah, these are the washi strips here, and if you don't need these as long, you can always trim those down, but I just added some coffee beans to that one. And then on the side here we have all of your date headers, and I put macarons on there. So yeah, but this one is the $2 Tuesday kit. Make sure you check the description to purchase yours. It should be up around like 9, and it'll be up until like Thursday night, so you guys have a few days to grab it if you haven't. And then after that, it'll also be on Etsy, by the way. I started posting those on Etsy, and I'll be on Etsy for the rest of the week in case you're watching this video like on like Friday or like Saturday or something. It's still the same week that this is going live. It should still be on sale on Etsy, so just letting you guys know that. So that is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe for all the new releases. I'm going to try to make videos every week. There is no $2 Tuesday next week. The following $2 Tuesday will be like February 8th, I want to say. I cannot remember if that's a Tuesday. I'll put it up on the screen. It'll be right here when the next $2 Tuesday is. So that is it. So I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye everyone.